In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your week to start on your preferred day. If your calendar or reports feel a little off because the week starts on the wrong day, this quick setting will make everything line up with how you actually plan. We'll walk through where to find it and what it changes, so you can make the switch with confidence. Start by opening Settings. You're looking for the main configuration area for your account or workspace. It often appears as a small gear icon in the navigation bar or sidebar. When you click Settings, you'll land in a place that controls general preferences, appearance, and regional options. That's exactly where we need to be. Next, click Basic Information. This section collects the foundational details tied to your account, such as your display info and the core preferences that affect how dates and times behave across the product. If you see profile fields or general options grouped together, you're in the right spot. Now, scroll to the option labeled Start Week On. Depending on your layout, it might live under a heading like Date and Time, Regional Settings, or Calendar Preferences. This single choice determines which day appears at the beginning of your weekly views. Choosing it thoughtfully helps your schedule, project timelines, and weekly summaries make more sense at a glance. When you find Start Week On, select your preferred day. Many people pick Monday for a standard work week, while others prefer Sunday to mirror traditional calendars. Some teams start on Saturday or another day to match retail or service schedules. Pick the day that aligns with your personal routine or your organization's reporting cycle. Changing it will realign calendars, weekly reports, and any views that group activity by week. Finally, click Save Changes. This step locks in your preference, so it persists the next time you sign in or open a calendar view. Look for a brief confirmation message or a visual cue indicating the setting has been updated. If you navigate away without saving, the app will keep your old start day, so it's worth confirming before you close the page. And that's it. Settings, Basic Information, scroll to Start Week On. Choose the day that works for you and save changes. With that small tweak, your week will display exactly how you plan and track your work.